Bonjour tout le monde. Welcome back with this new listening activity which is on liaison. Now, what is this liaison? I have already explained in my previous video, and if you have not yet seen this video, please do check that video on the link mentioned above and also mentioned in the description below. The activity is in front of you. There are 8 sentences in my list which you can see on your screen. I will be playing the complete audio of this listening activity, and what you need to do is you need to find out the missing words. So the 2 missing words you need to find out in this listening activity, and then in the end we will verify what are the correct words you have written. So let's go ahead, but before moving ahead with this listening activity, I give you the hint. The second word will always be starting with the vowel. So this is a hint. So remember, the activity, the learning which you have done in the previous video, it is based on that on that video. So do check that video before doing this listening activity. Yes, if you know what is liaison, then it's fine. What is liaison? It's like linking 2 words together, and what is the pronunciation? If you know about that, then it's fine. You can straight away go ahead with this activity. Otherwise, I would suggest to spend few minutes to watch that video. So I'm playing the audio and see if you can get the answers for all these which are on my list, 8 sentences on your screen. Let's go.
1. Les vacances en famille, c'est ennuyeux.
So I also repeat that sentence. You have listened to the native audio. I also repeat the same sentence. I will not give you the answers. The answers will be on later part, but please do it, this exercise. So the answer is the sentence is les vacances en famille c'est ennuyeux. C'est ennuyeux. Okay. Now look at the next sentence.
2.
La mer est trop agitée pour prendre le bateau.
La mer est trop agitée pour prendre le bateau. That's the second sentence. And now let's move ahead with the third sentence, which is 3. Let's listen to the audio.
3. On imagine des voyages toujours plus lointains.
On imagine des voyages toujours plus lointains. You got it? You can go back and check. You can listen the audio anytime again. Now let's look at the 4th sentence. 4.
4.
Un bon ami du lycée fait le tour du monde.
Un bon ami du lycée fait le tour du monde. This is the sentence. Un bon ami. So you can write down in your notebook.
5. Cette année, je ne pars ni en hiver ni en été.
Cette année, je ne pars ni en hiver ni en été. En hiver. Remember, that's the missing word. Write down. En hiver. 6th. 6.
À 9 ans, j'ai visité Paris.
À 9 ans, j'ai visité Paris. À 9 ans, j'ai visité Paris. 9 ans. That's the word. Those are the 2 words. 9 ans.
7. New York? Je ne veux jamais y aller.
I repeat this again because I'm sure this you want to listen again.
New York? Je ne veux jamais y aller.
New York, je ne veux jamais y aller. So New York, je ne veux jamais y aller. 8.
J'aime lire ce grand auteur français.
J'aime lire ce grand auteur français. Yes, you practiced this in the previous video as well. The same two words. J'aime lire ce grand auteur français. Now, in my list, look at on your screen the complete sentences. Well, I repeat the complete audio once again so that you can listen to the pronunciation.
1. Les vacances en famille, c'est ennuyeux.
2.
La mer est trop agitée pour prendre le bateau.
3.
On imagine des voyages toujours plus lointains.
I'm sure you're getting it.
4.
Un bon ami du lycée fait le tour du monde.
Bon ami.
5.
Cette année, je ne pars ni en hiver ni en été.
En hiver, in winters.
6.
À 9 ans, j'ai visité Paris.
À 9 ans, not 9 ans, 9 ans.
7.
New York? Je ne veux jamais y aller.
Jamais y aller. It's like
8.
that.
J'aime lire ce grand auteur français.
Grand auteur, not grand auteur. So T is there as you have seen the explanation in the last video. Well, so this is all about this listening activity. I am sure this is going to help you in your exams as well. So keep watching and keep listening to practice more and to improve your listening skills. I am working on more such videos, and keep watching. Do not forget to subscribe if not yet subscribed, because then you are going to miss the notifications. Au revoir et à bientôt, guys.